Hello, I am Bien Antonia C. Asemarado, and I am 9 years old.
Hello, I am Yari Margaret Justiniani. I am 8 years old.
Hello, I am John Evan Lincoln. I am 9 years old.
Hi, my name is Azumi Yasha Almira. I'm 9 years old.
Hi, my name is Ajikin Arsa. I am 9 years old.
Hello, I am Lisa Basilan. I am 9 years old.
Hello, my name is Shantarin Sipinyan, and I am 9 years old.
Hello, I'm Prince Marisol. Now I'm 8 years old.
Hello, my name is
Hello, I am Marco Vingoit and Flores. Then I am 9 years old.
I am Lois Tero Eganasam. I am 8 years old.
Hello, my name is Paula Andrea Eminralaw and I am 10 years old. Hello, my name is Shamlaran Saikutay and I am 8 years old.
Hello, I am Bernard Jesus. I am 9 years old. Hello, I am Janine Zakari M. Alenso. I am 9 years old.
Hello, I'm Philip Matthew M. Leones and I'm 9 years old.
Hello, I am Brian Lodge. I am 9 years old.
Ano grade kayo? Ano mangyayari today? Tomorrow? What is the date today? Anong oras na? Okay. Alright. Sige nga. Sabihin nyo nga sa akin ano-ano yung mga subjects nyo. Yung first period in the morning. Next. 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 Okay, bye-bye.